Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there. Today I'm going to show you the top 5 best oil filter brands that will keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Oil filters play a crucial role in maintaining your vehicle's performance, ensuring that harmful contaminants are kept at bay. With so many options available, it can be challenging to choose the right one for your needs. In this video, we'll break down the top brands on the market, highlighting their features, benefits, and why they stand out from the competition. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just looking to keep your car in top shape, you won't want to miss this. So check the link in the description below for more information and let's dive right in. Number 1. Fram Ultra Synthetic Automotive Replacement Oil Filter XG3614 is engineered for those who prioritize quality and performance in their vehicle maintenance. This oil filter features a unique sure-grip non-slip surface, making installation a breeze. Even if you're a DIY enthusiast, you can easily remove and install this filter without any slippery mishaps. Simply screw on the new filter until the gasket makes contact with the base and tighten it. No mess, no fuss. One of the standout features of the Fram Ultra Synthetic filter is its durable dual-layer design, which boasts over 99% filtration efficiency. The pleated media effectively traps various contaminants, ensuring a cleaner output for your engine. This means you get superior engine protection, helping to prolong the life of your vehicle's internal components. The slick silicone anti-drainback valve is another highlight, providing exceptional startup engine protection and offering up to 3 times the hot oil resistance compared to standard filters. This feature is vital for keeping your engine clean and operating smoothly without the risk of dangerous oil leaks. Designed to withstand high temperatures, the Fram Ultra Synthetic filter is built with an advanced high-nitrile gasket that enhances durability and overall quality. This high-temperature resistance means it can handle the stresses of daily driving and the demands of high-performance engines. Furthermore, the Fram Ultra Synthetic oil filter is capable of providing reliable protection for an impressive 20,000 miles, making it an ideal choice for those who frequently hit the road or drive in demanding conditions. With its proven performance and ease of use, the Fram Ultra Synthetic is a top contender in the best oil filter brands category, delivering the quality and reliability you need for optimal engine health. Number 2. Delco GM Original Equipment PF2232 Engine Oil Filter is a top choice for vehicle owners seeking reliable engine protection and performance. Designed specifically for Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, and Cadillac vehicles, this oil filter excels at keeping abrasive particles away from critical engine components, including bearings and hydraulic parts. Its advanced filtration technology ensures that contaminants are effectively captured, promoting a longer engine life and smoother operation. One of the standout features of the PF2232 is its engineering pedigree. It is backed by General Motors and designed by GM engineers who validate OE parts for optimal fit and performance. This means you can trust that this filter meets the exact specifications of your vehicle. The PF2232 has been rigorously tested to adhere to high-quality standards, ensuring that it performs reliably under various driving conditions. Additionally, Delco regularly updates its production designs to incorporate new materials and technologies, further enhancing the filter's durability and efficiency. This attention to innovation means that the PF2232 is not just a filter, it's a testament to modern engineering and automotive care. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or tackling a DIY oil change, this oil filter is easy to install and is compatible with a wide range of GM vehicles. Moreover, the Delco GM Original Equipment PF2232 oil filter is an ideal option for those looking to optimize engine performance and longevity. It seamlessly integrates into your vehicle's oil system, ensuring that your engine remains clean and free of harmful particles. With its reliability, high-quality construction, and GM backing, the PF2232 is undoubtedly one of the best oil filter brands on the market today. Number 3. Hyundai Genuine 26,300 to 35,504 oil filter is the ideal choice for Hyundai and Kia vehicle owners looking to maintain their engine's health and performance. As a genuine OEM product, it guarantees compatibility and quality, ensuring that it meets the high standards set by the manufacturer. One of the standout features of this oil filter is its ability to enhance engine performance by efficiently filtering out impurities and contaminants from the engine oil. This filtration process helps in keeping the engine clean, promoting smoother operation, and extending its lifespan. Designed to fit most Hyundai and Kia vehicles, the Hyundai Genuine oil filter offers a universal fit, making it a versatile option for a wide range of models. Its construction incorporates high-quality materials that are built to withstand the rigors of everyday driving, ensuring durability and reliability. This oil filter features an advanced filtration system that captures even the smallest particles, providing superior protection for your engine. Additionally, it is designed for easy installation, allowing DIY enthusiasts to replace their oil filter without hassle. With its excellent performance characteristics, this oil filter contributes to better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice as well. Whether you're conducting routine maintenance or preparing for a long road trip, the Hyundai Genuine 26,300 to 35,504 oil filter ensures your engine remains in peak condition. By choosing this oil filter, you are investing in your vehicle's longevity and performance, which is why it's frequently recommended among the best oil filter brands on the market. Number 4. Canen Motorcycle Oil Filter KN111 is engineered for high performance and reliability, making it an excellent choice for motorcycle enthusiasts seeking the best oil filter brands. This oil filter is designed to deliver high flow rates, ensuring your engine receives a consistent supply of oil for optimal performance. Its synthetic blend filtration media effectively removes harmful contaminants, safeguarding your engine from potential damage and enhancing its longevity. The heavy-duty construction of the canister guarantees outstanding durability, allowing it to withstand the rigors of the road and harsh engine conditions. One of the standout features of the Canen oil filter is its versatile compatibility. It is designed to work seamlessly with all types of motor oils, including synthetic, conventional, and blended oils, providing flexibility for users with different preferences. Each filter has been extensively tested in laboratory settings, ensuring excellent capacity and burst strength, which are crucial for maintaining the integrity of your engine during demanding rides. The Canen oil filter also features a fast and easy wrench-off removal, making oil changes hassle-free, even for those new to motorcycle maintenance. With a 1-year limited warranty, users can have peace of mind knowing they are investing in a product that has undergone rigorous testing and is built to last. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a casual motorcycle user, the Canen motorcycle oil filter is designed to enhance your engine's performance while providing reliable protection, making it a must-have for any motorcycle maintenance kit. Number 5. Generac offers the genuine OEM Generac Parts Oil Filter, Guardian 70185, an essential component for maintaining your Generac generator's performance and longevity. This high-quality oil filter is specifically designed to fit Generac models 070185E and 70185, ensuring a perfect match for optimal functionality. Constructed from durable aluminum, this oil filter boasts impressive resilience, capable of withstanding the demanding conditions often faced by generators. Weighing only 0.01 ounces and measuring just 0.98 by 0.98 by 0.98 inches, it's lightweight and compact, making it easy to install and handle during routine maintenance. The genuine Generac part #070185ES guarantees that you are using a product that meets the strict performance standards set by the manufacturer, which is vital for the longevity and efficiency of your equipment. This oil filter plays a crucial role in ensuring that contaminants and impurities in the engine oil are effectively trapped, preventing them from circulating within the generator's engine. By using genuine OEM parts like the Generac Guardian 70185, you can rest assured that your generator will operate smoothly, enhancing its overall performance and reliability. Furthermore, this oil filter is part of a broader range of genuine Generac parts designed to work in harmony with your equipment, ensuring that you're getting the best possible care for your investment. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or a professional, having the right parts is critical, and the Generac Guardian 70185 oil filter is an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain their generator efficiently. It's no wonder this oil filter is frequently recommended among the best oil filter brands, as it embodies quality and performance that are synonymous with the Generac name. In conclusion, choosing the right oil filter is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's engine performance and longevity. We've explored some of the best oil filter brands on the market, each offering unique features and benefits to suit different needs. Whether you prioritize affordability, durability, or advanced filtration technology, there's an option for everyone. Always consider your vehicle's specifications and your driving habits when selecting an oil filter. We hope this guide has helped you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Share this video for more updates and helpful tips on keeping your vehicle in top shape.